everyone, you're watching Traveling with Map. We wanted to start off by thanking everyone who follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
It's very important that if you like the content that we are providing, that you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Today we'll be giving you our must-have items in your backpack while traveling.
We'll give you 10 of our top favorite items, Pablo will give you 5, and then I'll give you 5 more. Stay tuned!
So here's what I think is most important for you to bring in your backpack trip. Let's start with this squeeze water filtration system from Sawyer company. I'm not making any ads for this company, but it's just really practical. You just fill up your pouch of unfiltered water, you screw the filter, you pop up the cap, and you just drink. You can even screw this filter on a plastic bottle of water, and then you just drink it. In some places, the most secure water to drink is bottled water, so you just screw this. Instead of a phone or a traditional pocket light, you can use a headlamp to light up your path and move freely. Plus, you can always hang it somewhere. Better to repair than to replace. Let's say your back tears up. If you have your sewing kit, you can always repair it while you're in the train or in the bus. This is my multi-purpose pocket knife. It can be helpful in many situations. Cutting, sewing, opening a can, unscrew, etc. Whether it's cold or hot, this item is really useful. It reflects the rays of the sun to keep you cool during the day. It also keeps your body heat inside the blanket, allowing you to stay warm on cold nights. Plus, it's really light.
Now it's my turn to show you the items I think you should be bringing on your backpacking trip. Let's start with the shampoo and conditioner bar. The reason being is that they're very compact and you can use the shampoo bar for up to 80 times, and it's in a bar form, so you're eliminating your chances of it spilling in your backpack. Tea tree oil is known for its purifying and antibacterial properties. You can use it on your skin, you can use it if you get cut, if you get burnt, and you can also gargle with it. Packing cubes are a must. They look like this. They seem really big, but you can fit a ton of clothes. And don't forget, you need to roll your clothes so that you can put even more clothes in your packing cubes. If you're like us and you're thinking of bringing multiple smartphones or laptops or cameras, then I think you should invest in a power pack. This allows you to charge your appliances on the go. And lastly, if you're a student, then I suggest you bringing your student ID. You can save a ton of money by showing this on bus stops or train stations, and you can sometimes visit cultural sites like museums for free.